Hello students, welcome to Tigerish Digital Online Classes. As we on page number, this chapter's page number 67. So today we'll start with our new topic, that is Arun's timetable. In previous session we had completed the an old woman will, in where we solved some fractions problems. Also we saw seen some rupees and pesos, how 1 rupee has how 250 paise forms 1 rupee, then 24 paise is a part of 1/4 of 1 rupee. Yes, we had seen some parts of strips also. So today we'll see some Arun's timetable. So this is timetable in the sense what daily routine timetable it is. What how much time he sleeps, how much time he play, how much time he study in a day. That is this timetable. We'll see in this timetable. So let's see what his mother is saying. What she is saying: Arun sleeps at 10 a.m. 10 p.m. Sorry, he sleeps at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. means at what time? In night, and wakes up at 6 a.m. A.m. means in morning. P.m. is denoted for the night and A.M. is denoted for the morning. He plays from 7 to 8 a.m. and again from 4 to 6 p.m. Okay, so this what Arun's mother is saying. Now let's see what Arun is saying. One day is 24 hours. Means in one day there are how many hours are there in one day? There are 24 hours in one day. So then how will I find out 1/3 of a day? So what he is saying, if there is 24 hours in a day, so how can I write? How can I find that 1/3 is how many hours? If we divide 24 hour in three parts, 1/3 means what? Three parts of that 24 hour. So how many hours will come in one part? Okay, this we have to solve. So how we write 1/3? 1 by 3. Yes, this is the way we write 1/3. So finding the proper hours, what we do, they had given some bar over here. What they had asked, first they had given the sleeping 1/3 of day. Means they had colored the sleeping bar. If you count the total parts of this bar, there are 24 parts. This bar is divided in 24 parts, and 1/3 of a day, it's they already had colored in a purple color. Now they are asked, use different colors to show playing 1/8 of a day. 1/8 means 1 by 8, and 1/4 of studying 1/4 of a day. We have to show these things on this given strip or a bar. So for studying we have to give green color, and for playing we have to give blue color. Already they have given sleeping color already, so no needed to find out that. But still, let's see how they had colored the this much bars only for sleeping. So as we know what we do when there is a fraction like 1/3, 1/8. So what we do, we multiply that fraction with the total number of the whatever things we had given. So how many in one day, how many hours is there? In one day, how many are there? There are 24 hours. So what we will do, we'll multiply 1/3 by 24. So do multiplication. For that, what we will do for this, we'll divide 3 by 24. 3 ones are 3. 3 how many is are 24? 3 eights are 24. If you notice, this all are 8 hours. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these are the 8 parts. It's colored in a purple color. That means 1/3 of a day means how many hours? 8 hours. Similarly, we will remove for the playing. So playing is one, how many what part of a day they had given? They had given 1/8 of a day he plays. So that means how many hours? So let's multiply again by 24. Why we are multiplying by 24? Because in one day there are 24 hours. So 8 ones are 8. 8 how many is are 24? 8 threes are 24. So this is the way. So which color they had asked us for the playing? Blue color. So what we will do? We'll take blue color and color that bar in blue color. Use bigger marker. Hmm. So this is the blue color. How many parts we have to color in blue? 3 parts. Okay. Now this is the what it is? Playing. So you can mention here playing. Play. Play. Also you can write here. If you want, you can write 1/3 means sleeping. How many hours he sleeps? He sleeps 8 hours. And how many hours he play? He play 3 hours. Okay. Now 1/4 of a day he study. That's again multiply by 24. 4 how many is that? 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. That means yellow color or a green color, you can say. If you see green color in your paper, you can pick textbook, you can mark as a with a you can color that as a yellow color, but right now I can see a green color, so I'll color it by green color. So how many parts we have to color in green? How many hours we got here? How many hours he is studying? Instead of 24 hours, he studies 6 hours. So say how 6 parts we will color. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes, this much part he study. So color, you can color it. Okay, now 6 colors. 6 hours, sorry. I'll use other color so it will be visible. Hmm. 6 color. Now, next question they are asked. How many hours does Arun take for? So we had written that sleeping he sleeps for 8 hours, he study for 6 hours, and he play for 3 hours. What part of the day does he use for other activities? So what they had asked, if he is doing all this work for this much hour, so how many hours will remain for the other parts, other activities, like going to school or doing some else study, or sorry, doing some else activities. For that activities, how much hours he use for that? So for that, what we will do, we'll add all these hours. So 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3. Do addition. See how many hours are we get for these three things. How many hours he used for these three things? 8 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 17. Okay. Now, among 24 hours, he used 17 hours for doing these three things. So remaining hours he will use for other activities. That means how many hours? Let's do 24 minus 17. So we can't minus 4 by 7. So we borrow 1 from 2. This will become 14. Here remain 1. 14 minus 7. 7. 1 minus 1. 0. So how many hours he used for other activities? He used 7 hours for other activities. Understood how we remove the fraction? Just multiply whatever the fraction they had given, just multiply that fraction with the whole number, or the total amount, or total whatever the things they had given. Okay, let's go for the next page number 68. School magazine. School magazine means what? Whatever the celebration we do in schools, of that school removes snaps of that celebration or activities or prize distribution. Yes, whenever you got prize, teacher says, let's take a snap, let's take a picture. So whatever the pictures they removed during the different kind of activities, celebrations, or some what we say festivals. What school do? School collect that all pictures and paste that pictures on one book, and they write that means they mention over that this is the first prize, this girl or this boy got first prize in this competition, or this is a festival photo, this is a holy festival. So all these pictures are mentioned in school magazine. Okay, that is a school magazine. So here they had told us that the school has decided to bring out a magazine every quarter of the year. Mark this word, quarter of the year. Quarter means what? Quarter means what? Means if there is a whole 1 year, they had divided that year quarter in a quarter. That means it's divided in four parts. As we seen that in first worksheet I had shared you, 1/4 is known as one quarter. So quarter of the year means 1/4 of the year they bring out the magazine. So how many magazine will they have in a year? If they brought one magazine in a one quarter, then how many quarters are over here? There are four quarters. Let's see. You can see a bar over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What it is? A year consists how many months? A year contains 12 months. So this is the months. First is January, then February, March, yes, April, May. You can remember May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These are the month of the year. So let's see one quarter. Quarter means if we have to divide this year in quarters. Okay. So let's see. So what we will do? We'll multiply 1/4 by 1/4 multiply by 12. How many are there? 12. 12 months are there. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay, so 4 threes are 12. So in one quarter, how many months are there? In one quarter, how many months are there? There are 3 months. So let's see. This is 1 month. Sorry, this is one quarter. First 3 months. Let's take another pen color. We'll take other one. Okay, green. Next 3 month will be the other quarter, second quarter. Next 3 months will be the other quarter, and other three will be the remaining quarter. So I'll take red color. Okay. So these are the quarters of a 1 year. Quarter means 1/4 of the year. So how many quarters are there? There are 4 quarters. So how many magazines will they have in a year? They will have means in each quarter there will be one magazine. They are saying they will bring out one magazine in each quarter. So how many quarters are there? There are 4 quarters. That means how many magazines they will bring out? They will bring out 4 magazines. How many magazines they will bring out? They will bring out 4 magazines. Now if they want to print it at the end of each quarter of a year, means what they are saying, if they want if let's take a quarter, this first quarter, if they want to print out this magazine at the end of the year, yeah, at the end of each of a quarter, let's see, first January, February, March, which is the end month of the quarter? Yes, which is the end month of this quarter? It is a March. That means 3, third month. Yes, that means third month. So what they are asking, if they want to print it at the end of the each quarter of a year, which are the months for printing? Mark the number for those months. So in this first quarter, which month comes at the end of this quarter? That is a March. Yes. So number, which number comes? Three number. In second quarter, which is the last month in this in the second quarter, that is a six. Which month it is? Six means which month? Yes, June month. So in June month will be the next magazine they will print out. Next again 7, 8, 9. That means July, August, September. Which month will on in which month they will print out the magazine? In ninth month. That means September month. And October, November, December. Which month they will print out the magazine? At 12. That is in December month. Understood how they had removed the quarter? How we remove the quarter? Quarter means your fourth part of that whole thing. Yes. Let's see next part. Sleeping Beauty. Here they had given the Kumbhakarna's example, who was a brother of Ravana. He was sleeping for half an a year. Half a year means what? How in year? How many years are there? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. That means half year means how you'll remove 1 by 2 multiply by 12. What will the answer? Yes, this thing you have to do on your own because it's not quite difficult. It's very easy. Half a year you have to remove. Then most people sleep about 8 hours a day. Means if he was sleeping for 6 months, and many people right normal people, what we do, we sleep for 8 hours a day. Let's remove for you. Half a year means one half multiply by 12. That means 6 months he sleep. Two ones are two, two six are 12. 6 months he was sleeping. He was famous for sleeping for 6 months. See, can you sleep for 6 months? Hmm? No. So most people sleep for 8 hours a day. A day. A day means one in one day. How many hours are there in one day? There are 24 hours. So people sleep for how many hours in a day? They sleep for 8 hours in a day. Now what you have to do? You have to remove the part of that day. So what do you do? Just divide this thing. 8 ones are 8. 8 how many is a 24? Yes. 8 how many? Say 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. So what part of a day they sleep? They sleep one third part of a day. Okay. So what part of a day do they sleep? They sleep one third part. Now a 60-year person, old person, must have slept a dash years. How many years he was going to sleep? If we consider 8 hour in a day he was sleeping, so now his age is 60 years. So how many years he was sleeping? For one, how many years it becomes 8 hours means how many years it becomes? Let's remove. Let's see. So what you will do? One third we know, one third part multiply by 60. Yes, do dividation. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0 as it is. So then 20 year he have must slept. Yes, 8 years, 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours sleep in a day means how many years he had slept? He had slept 20 years. Understood? This is a card puzzle, which was the answer on page number 16. This answer they had given. Let's go on page number 68. This is a Kirti's shopping list. Here you can see the items and price in rupees per kg. And here some questions are there. So page number 69 and page number 70. This you have to solve on your own. It's not too difficult to solve. It's quite easy. If you are aware of, if you are not aware to solve the, let's solve this. You can solve. I'll solve this. Kiran's want 2.5 kg. So how you'll solve these things? Okay. So how much cost will it cost? Now you know Kiran wants 2.5 kg. What will be the 2 kgs rate tomatoes they are asking? Na? Tomato. Tomato rate is given 12. 12 per kg. So if he want to buy 2 kg, so how much he will have to give for 2 kg? 2 multiply by 12 is equal to 24 kg. Okay, 24 kg you have to give. Now remaining half kg. So for half kg, what you have to do? As usual, half multiply by total how many kg per kg, how many he gave? He gave 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So now add 24 plus 6, total will be 30. So how much rupee he will pay for tomato? He will pay rupees 30 for tomato. So for 2.5 kg, how many rupees he will pay? He will pay 30 rupees. Similarly, you have to solve the other one. Okay, it's not difficult. It is very easy. Just to first remove the 1 kg or 3 kgs rate and then remove the remaining part of that rate. Okay, so we had finished with our, we say, fourth chapter, parts and wholes. Okay, worksheet I'll share you tomorrow as it is, so you have to solve that worksheet in your notebook, and if you have any doubt let me know. Okay, bye, take care.